In this video, I will show you how to buy Floki Inu on Coinbase wallet. So let's jump straight into it. Now to do this, you actually need to use an exchange like Uniswap. So Coinbase doesn't actually allow you to directly buy Floki Inu. Now what you're going to want to do is actually, if you've got Coinbase open, you just want to close that down, open up a new browser and come across to app.uniswap.org. When you come across to here, you want to press the connect button just here. And first of all, you want to connect your Coinbase wallet. So you just want to go ahead and connect your wallet. And on the authorization screen, you just want to come down and press the blue allow button. So as you can see, we're now good to go. We're all connected to Uniswap. Now, what we can do is make sure, first of all, that you're on the Ethereum network. So you can see the icon here is set to Ethereum. If it's not, you can click onto this and choose Ethereum. Then what you need to do is choose what you want to sell, and in the buy section down here, you want to press onto select token, and we're just going to go ahead and search for the Floki Inu token. So I'm just going to type that into here and then search. So here we are. As you can see, we got the Floki Inu token here. So we're just going to give this a press and then press the purple I understand button. And as you can see, we are now set up good to go. So once you've selected Floki, all you need to do is put the amount that you want to sell and buy. So for example, let's go for 32. It's going to tell you how much Floki you're going to receive. Now I don't actually have any Ethereum, but what you would do is come down to the bottom. There's going to be a confirm button down at the bottom. And what you would do is press onto that, and that's going to buy Floki Inu using your Coinbase wallet funds, as we've connected it to Uniswap. So that is how to buy Floki Inu on Coinbase wallet. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.